Hey Cookaholics, Chef Kendra here, and today we are making a full-packed grilled chicken sandwich. This thing is delicious, so let's do what we do. Let's make it happen. We have chicken breast, we have Italian dressing seasoning mix, we have Dijon mustard, we have coleslaw, we have avocado, tomato, mayo, bacon, ciabatta bread. We have some various cheeses here. We have Monterey Jack. We have some different kinds of cheddar cheeses, cheddar cheese blend. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put the chicken on some plastic wrap on my cutting board. I wash my hands. Now I'm gonna put some plastic wrap on top. Okay, I've flattened them to my desired thickness. And I'm going to season both sides generously. Now I'm just cutting them in half. Now I'm going to clean up this mess, and then we'll continue. Now I'm going to slice some tomato. Now I'm going to get it on the grill pan. Now, this is the stovetop grill pan with a grill mat on top. I'm gonna grill both sides until they're done. It won't take that long. And I'm gonna try to only flip them one time. I have this on medium high. I'm gonna give them a flip. Take some cheese. Now mix the cheese up and put some cheese on top of each piece. Cover it with the top. I'm going to mix the Dijon mustard into the mayo. That. Look at that. You can grill this if you want, that's fine, however you want to do it. I'm going to take some of this mayo and Dijon mustard mix and put it on this bread. All this is enough for 4 sandwiches. Piece of meat, cheese, put it on the bottom. Just like so. I'm gonna add a slice of bacon. Gonna add a slice of tomato. Gonna add a couple slices of avocado. And we're gonna top the whole thing off with some coleslaw over here. That's the sandwich. Put it all together, just like that. For this and other fine recipes, go to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Yo, thanks for watching, share my videos, and if you haven't already, subscribe. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.